Hello friends. Whenever I'm driving a tractor, I always like to make sure that I can see what's behind me. And with the tractor that I have, it doesn't have any type of mirrors or doesn't even have anywhere to place mirrors. So what I'm gonna do today is I've got some mirrors ordered and some magnets. We're gonna put magnetic mirrors onto the tractor and we're gonna find out if it works also. We don't want them falling off all the time. So I think I've got some magnets that will work, but let's see what we got to work with, okay? Okay, so I bought these little magnets. I think they're called rare earth magnets. I may be wrong. I'll put the product down in the description. But they seem to be holding pretty good. I can't break them two apart just yet. And then I've got this set of mirrors right here that's they're 7-inch mirrors. They're made for, you see it says it's for golf carts. And we're just gonna see if this will work. So let me go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. There's some instructions on how to mount it, but I think this is for using boats. Yeah, it comes with the bolts for mounting, and it's also got some screws. And then here's the mirrors, and they're movable. They're supposed to be. Okay. So that part moves. Oh, it's on a swivel arm. Okay. Well, that works good. And then we got this one. Okay, so let me get this trash out of the way. So we got a choice. The mirrors come, or the magnets come with these small screws, which I seem to like them. Or we've got these bigger screws that comes in this packet. I think I'm gonna try these smaller magnets, because that plastic, you can see it's probably a 1/4 inch thick, and yeah, I just think that'll work pretty good. So I just got a little screwdriver. Then I've got me a little drill bit. I think that's a 7/64. Don't quote me on that. Just try to measure it up to your screw and see if it works for you. But I'm gonna just kind of make sure that will run through the magnet, and it does. All right, so let's get started. So I think I'm gonna put the first one right there. Well, actually went through the hole, so I'm gonna try right here. Okay. Let's see how well that threads through that hole. Tighten it down just a little bit. Oh, that turned out real nice. Where I don't go all the way through my mirror, I'm gonna turn it up sideways like this, to where I'm gonna go kind of a little bit slower. Okay, that's good enough. I'm having a little bit of a hard time separating these magnets. They're working pretty good. Move this out of the way. Okay, that screw does stick out just a little bit. I can grind it off, but it's not messing up the function of the mirror any. So that's good. All right, let's do the other one real quick. See if I can separate these magnets first. I had to get a screwdriver and put it in there and pull it. Now then, magnets are a lot stronger than I thought they would be. Also, the mirrors, I'll have them listed also in the description and where you can get them. The whole thing was like $24, I believe. Yeah, so the magnets were $11.99 and the mirror was $11.99. So $24 total. Like I said, we had to go kind of slow right there. We don't want to drill it through the plastic and damage it. Just snugging them on there. I'm not going as tight as I can go. I don't want to strip that plastic out. After all, it is just plastic. Okay, so we got them both together. What you say we go put it on the tractor and try it out and see how they work? All right, we'll put our first one. Let's say let's put it right there. Oh gosh, it does stick good. Let's put this in. All right, it just pretty well. Let's get up here on the tractor and adjust the mirrors where we can see. Well, that was just this and oh, that's perfect. Wait a minute. Maybe that way, just a little bit more. We'll adjust this one. I think I like it. Tilt it back a little more. Okay, I got it. Well, let's try them out and see how they, let's see if they stay on all right. Leave my bucket arm to see. I'm gonna kind of pick it up a little bit. Make sure they're gonna handle the if they'll handle the beating and moving the beat the bucket on the frame a little bit and see how well they do. Still see great. Alright, let's give her a ride. go through some brush that I've got in the pasture, see how well they hang on. You know, it's beating me to death. Well, yeah, I have to say I'm very pleased with it. I can't add to the video after I post it, but I can always update the comments or the description. So if anything changes with these mirrors, I'll definitely let you know in the description. But for right now, I'll have a link where you can buy the mirrors and the magnets. They're sold separately, $24 together, $11.99 a piece. Also, I hope you enjoy this content. I have a lot more about homesteading. Let me cut my tractor off where you can hear me. I have a lot more about homesteading and growing your own food. We do different kind of methods, greenhouses and hay bale garden. You might be able to see my hay bale garden there behind me. But we'd love to have you follow us and subscribe to the channel and keep up what all we got going on here. But as always, I always like to end by saying that I love you and God loves you. And say hello, you mama now.